Wait, who was that? Who was that?
That's Josh. No, please.
Josh, let's go away. Josh, let's go.
I'm a top god, man. I'm a top god. I'm saying good game.
This is a good game. Where's
Okay.
it, son?
Josh ball.
The hunting. What the hell was that?
Alex wins by the disqualification. What the fuck is that?
Andy, right?
Good rest. Drop past the packer. Yeah, so you're out. Off court, please. I'll get back. Intruder. Security. Yeah, what the fuck is that? I'm spectating. Hey, fuck off the Get up and run. You fucking
Doing.
Out. Drop the ball.
Go to a game back for shot. What the hell?
Yeah, let's play football after.
What time is it?
Y'all play with that kid or the phone one?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
It's 4 left right now.
Yo, play catch or not?
We're all 4 things. It's gonna take 10 minutes.
Josh, go on. Come on. Push him out. What the hell?
Out the ball.
Yo, do you know what has to fun?
Out the ball. No contact, out the ball.
What's up?
Whose football is it?
Just find it.
Is that everyone or? Let's go. Oh, movie ticket, my nigga.
That's why. Josh, you dumbass. Look at the headache, bro.
But he got first ball too, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Okay. I'm in the game, right?
Ryan,
Oh,
remember the name?
1%.
You're facing 1% of the movie ticket.
You didn't say how much to pay the movie ticket, but I said 1%.
Did you pay for the movie ticket?
I'm paying for the yeah, but how much? Yeah, I didn't say how much.
No, for the movie ticket.
Yeah,
How much movie ticket?
yeah, for the movie ticket, but did I say how much? Did I say I'm gonna pay for the whole movie ticket?
That's KD.
I paid 0.0001%.
I bet it's $2. I bet it's $2.
0.001% for you.
I bet it's $2.
That's not even a cent.
That's good.
I'll tip him. Here.
Yo, isn't there a field over there?
Let's stay here, bro. You wanna hop on the Here.
I'm paid.
I paid. It is a big funny. Go to the store to get it.
Changed it.
No, that's over there. Big Betty. Yeah.
Let's go Papa's right now. Let's go.